All right, let's dive into how you can create a new sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's super easy, don't worry. First things first, head over to the project panel and look for the new item menu. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Sequence. Now here comes the fun part, choosing a preset that matches the camera you use to record your videos. But hey, if you accidentally pick the wrong one, no need to stress. When you add your first clip to the sequence, you'll get a chance to adjust the settings to perfectly match the clip. So, it's all good. Oh, and here's a nifty little trick for you. You can also create a new sequence that automatically matches a specific clip's properties. Just grab the clip you want to use and drag it right onto the new item menu in the project panel. Premiere Pro will set up a sequence tailored to that clip's settings. But wait, there's more. If you want to check out the frame size and frame rate of your sequence, no problem. Just head to the project panel, switch to list view, and you'll see all the juicy details, right? See? Creating a new sequence in Premiere Pro is a breeze. So go ahead, experiment, and have fun with your video editing adventures.